Hey, good afternoon, everybody. Catch and Key here. Hey, I want to talk to you about something no one likes. A hated, matter of fact, is being stranded on the water while you're fishing, or being stranded anywhere for that matter. It's happened to me one time, and all it takes is one time. So I'm out fishing, I'm catching crappie, and I'm not paying attention to my voltage meter on my live scope, and I turn up and I look down, and it's at 8 volts, and my heart just sank. And I'm like, oh my goodness. And guess what? I didn't have any jumper cables. I didn't have anything. So I had to call, me and my cousin had to call his wife to, to come bail us out. That happened one time. And to prevent that from happening, I bought a product, and I've been having this product for 2 years now, and I want to show everybody what this product is. And it's the Sanrock portable jumper pack. So you don't have to have jumper cables. Try to get anybody to come out and save you from on the water, or you stuck it on side of the road, your loved ones, your wife, your daughter, whatever, your son. You don't have to have jumper cables anymore, people. Sanrock portable jump pack. This thing is a lifesaver. So let me show you how to use it. And again, this is the Sanrock 2500. And this thing, I mean, it's for riding lawnmowers, to cars, to trucks, to 18-wheelers, y'all. It will jump it off. So no more getting stuck on the water. Fishermen, get you one of these, keep it on your boat, keep it charged. You charge it for, it comes fully charged when you get it, but I put a charge on mine, and it stays charged for 6 months. But I'm in the habit of checking mine every 2 months just to make sure it's still charged. And when I get on my boat, I have this with me. This is a must. I have a checklist when I get on my boat. I check that list off. This is at the top of my list, y'all. You better believe that. I would not get stranded on the water again. I bought one for my wife's car. My wife called me one time, and she's upset. She's stuck on the side of the road. Her truck won't start. And I was like, baby, calm down. Look in the back of your truck. Remember, I bought you a jump pack. Oh yeah, you did. Yes, use your jump pack. We have AAA, we have roadside assistance and all of that. But why wait when you could just be proactive, get the prongs and get you a jump pack? And here at the back, you open this up. It has a symbol of a car right there. Open that flap up, y'all. And this only goes in one way. So you can't screw this up. You plug it in. It automatically detects this box has been plugged in. You'll see the LEDs light up. You got 4 bars. It's fully charged. And remember, always plug the positive side up first. So you put the positive on the positive, red on red. Then you put the ground on, the black. You put the black on. You go inside, start your car. It's that simple, guys. Let me give you a quick demonstration. How y'all use this jump pack? Very simple. You go in your car or your truck and it don't start, go get your jump pack, plug it in. You hit the power button. You'll see the LEDs light up. On your battery, you got a negative and a positive terminal. Always put the red on the red first. Take off the protection cap if you have one. You'll put the red on first, and then you'll put the negative on. Simple as that. It'll kick on. I don't know if you heard that or not. It'll kick on. Go inside and just start the car, start the truck up, and you're ready to go. Then you're black. It's that simple, guys. I hope this was informative for somebody. Like I said, no one likes being stranded on the side of the road. So let's be proactive instead of reactive, guys. Go get you one of these, or any brand, it doesn't matter. And let's look out for our family and our loved ones, y'all. God bless everybody. Hope y'all like this video. If you do, like and subscribe to the channel, and I would appreciate everyone's support. All right. Thank y'all.